A man with plumbing is a man with worries. These are the words of a wise man named Snookmore, a modern-day homesteader who knew the value of self-reliance, independence, determination, and ingenuity. A legendary mountain man who exemplified what I have come to refer to as the Homesteader Mindset. At his remote time capsule in the Wyoming Rockies, I began to understand the unique qualities which defined the settlers of the American West. Here I witnessed a time when people embraced simple pleasures and found triumphs in day-to-day life. A place where plumbing and electricity were still distant dreams and where the sound of engines had not yet pierced the land. It was a place where a person had time to think. And perhaps while doing laundry in a wash tub with a scrub board, one's mind might dream of building a banjo out of a plank of wood and a coffee can. In this place, even worn-out wash tubs were saved, because one day a leaky wash tub might be paired with a broken pitchfork handle and a scrap of rope to make a base. It was a place where a cowbell and a wooden spoon might be used to summon the hay crew up for dinner. It was also a place where homemade banjos, washtub bases, scrub boards, and cowbells brought a small community of people together at the end of a long, hot day in the hayfield to make music and share stories. Where traditional songs of cattle drives, cowboys, and teamsters took on new life in the faces of neighbors making songs of their own. It was a place where time stood still, where forgotten legends of the Wild West came to life, where the determination of pioneers was tangible, a place where history lived in every moment of every day. And it is this place I wish to share. My goal is to create a springboard from which the homesteader mindset may blossom. As we learn from our past and celebrate our ancestors, we may perpetuate their attributes in the fabric of our communities. Whether making music with homespun instruments, illustrating history through song and story, fostering creative outlets through old-time skills, or depicting heroes who shine brightly through the annals of history, I strive to present programs which inspire the homesteader mindset. Programs which cater to diverse audiences of all ages, and ones which inspire thoughtful reflection and enduring discussions. The homesteader mindset is a jewel to be polished by the hands of all who embrace it. One whose bounty spreads tenfold as it is nurtured across the ages and passed throughout the land.